Hello guys, welcome to another video of Revit tutorial, and in this video we are going to see how the ribbons are used in Revit architecture. And without any delay, let's jump into the video. You will use the ribbon for the majority of the commands you execute in Revit. As you can see, you have very little choices to do. However, this is too good because it narrows your attention to what is right in front of you. For example, I click Wall command. Revit will react to the icon with a new tab, giving you the specific additional commands and options you needed. Revit also keeps the existing tabs that can help you in the current command. Again, as I said, the focus is on keeping your eyes in one place. And here, hope you see my cursor. This toolbar is called the Quick Access toolbar. I am sure you have seen a similar toolbar in other applications. It comes filled with some popular commands. If you want to add any command to this toolbar, simply right click in any of the icon and click Add to Quick Access toolbar. And so, a new icon that you have selected is being added to the Quick Access toolbar. And that's all for this video guys. In the next video we'll be discussing on the properties interface of Revit architecture.